Hello, is Misha Emily, Nichgion Fujita, agus Hashanana Halifax, Alapanuig. Hello, I'm Emily McEwen Fujita, and we're in Halifax, Nova Scotia. And I'm talking to you today about milling frolics, which is a special form of Gaelic culture, a Gaelic tradition that is unique to Nova Scotia. So in the last video, I showed you how to do the rhythm, mine, yours, mine, pass. And so now I'll show you how to put that together with the chorus of a song. This is a song called Hey Molenin. So the chorus, the words are Hey Molenin, O Molenin, She Molenin am Ferur, Hey Molenin, O Molenin. So it's 3 lines. So, and the tune is Hey Molenin, O Molenin, She Molenin am Ferur, Hey Molenin, O Molenin. So this is how we put it together with the milling. So mine, yours, mine, pass. And again, normally I would be passing, but for the video I'm just going to hang on to the cloth. So, Hey Molenin, Ho Molenin, She Molenin am Ferur, Hey Molenin, Ho Molenin.